Hello and welcome to another video. We're going to take a look at using how much is or how much are, and then using this, that, these, and those. Okay, so let's jump in to some of our examples of using this in a sentence, of course. So the first one that we have is, of course, a pen. And this is, of course, singular. And when we are holding it in our hand, we use this because it is close to us, or we can touch it. So we can say, how much is this pen? Because we are touching it, or it is very close to us. The second example is, of course, having a look at a hat or a cap. Now, as you can see, they are on the shelf, okay? And let's say that the hat is on the top shelf, the red one, okay? So you can say, how much is that red hat on the top shelf? Because we cannot reach it. It is far away. That's why we have to say that cap or that hat. So how much is that red hat on the top shelf, right? Because it's far away from us. The next one is to have a look at oranges. Yes. So, as you can see from this picture, we can see there are 3 oranges. So there are, of course, plural, not singular. And in this case, we are, of course, holding the oranges too. So we have to use these, right? So, for example, how much are these oranges? Because we are holding them, and we of course want to buy these ones, right? These 3, not another 3, but these 3 oranges. So that's why we have to use these, because there is more than one and we are holding the oranges. They are very near to us. The next example that we can look at is, of course, shoes. Yes. So again, as you can see, with most clothes or shoes or hats, they can be on a shelf, which is very difficult for us to reach or to get. So again, you could say, how much are those black shoes up there? Okay, so again, because shoes, we usually, of course, need 2 shoes. That's the reason why we use those, because of plural. And of course, we use those is because it is on the top shelf, and of course, we cannot reach it. So we have to say, how much are those shoes on the top shelf? Okay. So yes, however, there are some confusions sometimes that happen. For example, when we take a look at bananas, okay, of course, just usually or regularly, we can use how much are these bananas or those bananas. That's okay. However, in this image, you can see a box. Therefore, it is singular, not plural, right? So we're talking about a box. That's why, in this case, you would have to ask, how much is this box of bananas? Or how much is that box of bananas? That's because the box is, of course, singular. So that is where we have to use either this or that. Okay, And the last one is, again, using something that is a little bit confusing. This time we're talking about packet, right? So, of course, it's the same as when we're talking about a box. This is a packet. Of course, tissues normally are plural, of course. We don't really talk about tissue as in one, so we usually talk about tissues as in plural. However, we often buy them in a pack. So, once again, we have to say, how much is this pack of tissues? Or how much is that pack of tissues? Okay, so again, because it is in a pack or packet, that's why we use either this or that. Okay, hopefully that clears a lot of things up, and please don't hesitate to try and use them. Alright, take care guys, see you soon, bye bye!